Just as we believe in the future of possible, we also believe in the future of growth. The natural path for growth has been explained before, and now technological innovation is gaining steam. Growth requires speed, so we created wings. Growth requires view, so we added vision. Growth requires care, so we developed solutions. Growth requires wisdom, so we offered intelligence. We are capable of seeing farther than we do now. We can outfly disasters.
To make the life easier.
We think things through and take necessary action. Nature gives humans the resources to survive. Humans develop technology in return to promote growth. Helping nature grow ensures that humans survive. We firmly believe that technology is the key to vigorous growth. Technology inspires growth.